I am glad that my message resonated with you. That means you should be here with me now. And I'm going to give you something that's going to elevate you for a lifetime. In 3 minutes, we are going to de-escalate what is emotionally charged in you right now. Or think of something that annoyed you today. And we're going to deactivate it. And then you're going to say, oh my word, what was that? Here we go. Take a deep breath. What was it that annoyed you today, and how can it be worse? Breath. I am safe. I am loved. Now here's the fun part. We're going to play a little game. I'm going to say A is for apple. A-P-P-L-E-E-L-P-P-A. You're going to say B is for, spell it forward and spell it backwards. Now, if you picked a short word, I'm going to give you one just so that we make sure we've got this technique correct. I'm going to have you spell forward and backwards, baboon. It's a little difficult. That's perfect for what we're doing. This is what we want. You don't have to be a speller. You don't have to get it right. Take a deep breath. And now I want you to hum. Put your hand right here. You're going to feel the vibration. You're just looking to feel the vibration very lightly. Hum. Take a breath if you need. Do it again. Hum. Woo! Take a deep breath. There we go. Now check into what was irritating to you. Do you notice it went down? You did that in less than 90 seconds. Now, if you wanted to go down more and to stay down, just click the video and that's what will happen. Do it now. Don't do it later on. You may forget. Do it now. Get that relief now. You have a 3-step technique I just gave you that's going to benefit you for a lifetime because it's actually training your brain. You just trained your brain something new. And as you repeat it, it's going to catch on to it. You will not have to use a video to do it later on. Your brain will just do it automatically for you. You'll notice that you're getting less and less distressed about things. Aren't you glad you clicked? So click now. Just click it and get that 5 minutes more and see what happens.